Hello and welcome to this week's Elite Audio video, and it gives me great pleasure to announce our annual Showroom Extravaganza event, which will be held on the 18th of May, which is a Saturday. To find out why you should come along, please stay tuned. All is about to be revealed. Before I get into the showroom event, I just want to say that at the end of this video, I will be giving some incredible video-only offers. So you will have to watch the video to the end to find out what they are, but I promise you, these are pretty special. They're not published anywhere. You won't find them anywhere other than in this video itself. So that tells you how special they are. Anyway, our annual showroom event, those of you that have attended before will know that it is something that is definitely worth coming along to. And this year we have multiple themes and special features throughout the day. The main aspect of our showroom event this year is the streamer shootout. Now, if you've been following the series of videos that we did on streamers, you will know that we have done blind testing and voting here at the Elite Audio showroom with our highly, I would say, with highly attuned hearing members of staff, and you will know the outcome for that. But now, this is your opportunity for you to decide based on what you hear, which is the best. We will have £80,000 worth of streaming equipment for your listening pleasure.
Wow!
And these will be done on a knockout basis. So we'll have streamer A versus streamer B. We will play some music, you guys will vote, and one will go through to the final. That's how it's going to work. We're going to split it into two categories, sort of low to medium price and then medium to high end. And again, you will have the chance to see exactly how these devices perform. We will also have from Ineos the brand new Statement Next Gen, which retails at just under £20,000. And that will also be here for your listening pleasure, along with some very other exciting features. And one of these, which is a first for us, we will be having Dr. Forsyths Valve Rolling Clinic. Now, I know a lot of you are fascinated by valves, and those, what I call valve aficionados and the true connoisseurs of all things valve, indulge in something which sounds like a dark art in itself, is valve rolling. Now, with Easter right now, right upon us, some of you may think it's something you do at your local hill, where you chuck your valves down a hill and see what happens, having pre-decorated them beforehand. But no, it's actually something entirely different, and we will be going through the subtleties and the technicalities. Again, for your pleasure, we will have a valve amp and a valve-based DAC set up. We will play them with the standard valves, and then we will put in some upgrade valves to let you hear just how you can have the true magic of tweaking to your heart's content from simply swapping something that is no difficult to change than a light bulb. And that is something we will be holding as a special feature. And in addition, Rob from Rel will be here, and he is bringing with him a 6-stack Rel array, which will be the S812 subwoofers, 3 on each side. It's £18,000 worth of subwoofer. And this is going to let you hear just what is achievable from a stacked array. And if you've not heard it, I don't know if any of you went into the Rel room at Bristol, but that's precisely what they had set up there, and it sounded amazing. So you will have the opportunity to hear that at the Elite Audio Showroom Saturday. Did I say it was Saturday, the 18th of May? I don't know. If I didn't, then it's Saturday, the 18th of May. And of course, our showroom event would not be our showroom event without the inclusion of Wildfire Pizza. Now, honestly, I do like a pizza. I actually own a pizza oven at home. It's a wood-fired one, and I do enjoy making a proper, authentic wood-fired pizza. But I've got to tell you, no matter how hard I try, I cannot emulate the skill and the culinary expertise of Wildfire. And honestly, people that have come again and again purely just to savour and indulge in his pizza excellence. So that will be here again as normal, and if you've not had one, honestly, you are in for a pizza treat like no other. Now, oh, sorry, one last thing. Never mind now. Where am I going? What am I doing? I don't know. Do you know? Now, the showroom event will be ticket only as normal, and as often the case, we do end up being oversubscribed. So if you really want to come along, how you can book will be in the video description below. It is a first come, first served basis. You can book multiple tickets if you're coming with friends and family. And it is kind of a family day out. We've had, you know, lots of people turn up with their families. It's quite enjoyable. The listening process, the shootout, the valve rolling clinic, and the rail subway, and the pizza. There's just so many good things here. I wouldn't know where to start, to be honest. But anyway, the details of how you can book will be in the video description below. Now, I can say now, because this is appropriate, the video only offers. Honestly, we've never done this before, so I'm testing this because I want to show loyalty to you guys, and I thank you for the fact that you watch our video week after week after week, and I promise you it is massively appreciated here at Elite Audio. So the first up on the video only offers, now this is a pre-loved opportunity. It has literally just arrived in our stock, and these are rarer than a rare steak at the rare steakhouse, because this is the Audio Research Reference 40th Anniversary 2-box pre. Now, when this was new, it was around about £25,000. If you go onto our website, you will see we have it listed at £9,970. However, for you guys watching this video, you can, some lucky person will be able to buy this for £8,999. It will come with a very comprehensive 12-month parts and labour warranty, which also covers any shipping costs in the unlikely event this goes wrong. We will also cover the valves for 90 days. Again, if there's any issue with valves, we will replace them. I've had a very brief listen to this. I've not heard one before, and all I can say is, wow, it was crazy impressive. The build is fantastic, and I really like the styling of it. Original box and packing, and a great opportunity. The next actually is nestling in my listening room at home, and it is the Project X2B. It will come with two cartridges, the Pickett MM Pro, which is the balanced cartridge, and the one that originally came with. So the balanced cartridge has not been used, it's brand new. The retail value, with if you include both cartridges, is round about the £1,600 mark. You can have this, and it's had minimal use, it's in perfect condition, for £799. It was brand new when I unboxed it and put it in my listening space. Great opportunity, and again, video only. Now, staying with the analog theme, we also took in this week a less than 12 months old Technics SL1210G, and it has the Nagaoka MP500 cartridge as well. The retail value of this combination is £4,500. Now, so I want to point out a couple of things. The lid has a small mark on it, but we have ordered a brand new, the lid actually for me is acceptable, but for us and being Elite Audio, it has to be perfect. So we've ordered a brand new lid, and look, one of the rubber clips on the left hand side of the lid that allows the lid to sit perfectly on top of the deck is missing. So we've ordered that as well. It'll come with all factory accessories, original box and packing, one owner, and it sounds incredible. And the reputation of these things is very well known. So we currently have it for sale on our website at 2,845, and video only offer at 2,699, which for one of these at this age and with the cartridge, that is a great opportunity. But it's video only, and when you phone in or if you email in, you will have to mention that you saw the price on our video, and that is very important. Finally, and to wrap up these special offers, we have got the Musical Fidelity M8XI. Now this retails at £6,800, and we currently have it for sale at 5,165. It's our demonstration unit, so it's only been on display in our showroom. It's got built-in DAC, it's 550 watts into 8 ohms. It is a true mono design, so the two amplifiers and the preamp are all separate internally. Fully balanced, built-in DAC as I said, and it's 550 watts into 8 ohms, nearly, I think it's 900 watts almost into 4. There's nothing out there it won't drive. It is a great sounding amplifier, and somebody can have it for £4,599, which is an absolute steal to say the least. So there we go, quite a short video this week. The showroom event on the 18th of May, that is, honestly, we put a lot of effort into these, and this one I feel is one of the best that we have put together between the valve rolling, the streamer shootout, and of course the REL sub-array, and how can we overlook the Wildfire Pizza, as I already said. So get yourself booked in. We would love to meet you on the day. Myself, Andrew, Barry, there'll be other members of the Elite Audio team here, as well as Rob from REL, who is one of the nicest guys you will ever meet in the industry. We will also have Neil from Ineos, who is coming along, and Neil will be talking about some of the new streamers, and we will have them all on demonstration, from the Pulse Mini right up to the Statement and everything in between, which is a huge amount of Ineos streaming pleasure, as well as all the others from Eversolo, SOTM, Audiolab, HiFi Rose. It is honestly a streamer extravaganza like no other, and this will be your best opportunity to see how they all compare against each other. I also have a favour to ask you, and it literally will take you 2 seconds. If you're enjoying our video content, if you like the videos we produce, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. It really does mean a great deal to us, and it is fantastic when we see the affirmation that what we're producing you're actually enjoying. And we love doing the videos. They do take time, and each one is planned out each week, and we're trying to deliver the best content that we absolutely can. So please just take a few seconds to do that, and a big thank you from me and the rest of the team for doing so. A couple of quick thank yous. I want to thank all the team at English Acoustics, firstly for giving us the opportunity to represent their brand, but also they sent us a big box of Cadbury's cream eggs as a thank you for the video we did last week. So a thank you for your thank you, it's really appreciated. My waistline may not agree, but it is Easter and it is chocolate, and the two really do go together, don't they? Also, if you want to message me directly, this is my direct email address. I will reply to every single email. And again, a thank you to those of you that have emailed me. I hope the advice that I'm giving you is something that helps you in your quest to find the best from your audio system. I find it an absolute privilege and a pleasure to be given the insight into your system, and then to have the opportunity to actually advise you on what would be a good upgrade or a change that you're maybe considering. So here's my email. Please message me. I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. So there we go. Get it in your diary, 18th of May. It's a Saturday. As I said, we'd love to see you there. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather has improved somewhat. We've had such very wet and windy weather here in the East Neuk, which is quite uncommon. So let's hope that May brings us the sunshine once again. And it's a beautiful area. There are so many things around locally. Kelly Castle, the East Neuk of Fife, with all the fishing villages, Anstruther, Pittenweem, Ely, which is a beautiful place, and Crail, which has got one of the most picturesque harbours in the world. And then you have St Andrews, the home of golf, and some fantastic places to stay there too. So you could make a weekend of it, get yourself booked in, come to our event on the Saturday and have a great family weekend away, or a nice romantic weekend away if that's what you prefer to do. There's so many great places to eat and drink as well. So I hope to welcome you on the 18th of May. And until then, have a great week listening to music. Thank you for watching this week, and please take care.